Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I've been dying to make this video. This video is going to be talking about how you can produce fan art for companies such as Redbubble and not get in trouble. So basically how you can make fan art legally. One of my favorite shows is Rick and Morty, and earlier this summer I created like 2 Rick and Morty drawings for the Redbubble's Partners program, and I was so excited. And I remember reading it could take up to 6 months to get approved. You guys, it took exactly 6 months. I kind of gave up there. I was like, oh, I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna get approved. And it just turned out that I did the other day, and I was so happy, and I'm glad that I got the opportunity to actually produce fan art for one of my favorite TV shows. So I'm pretty excited about that. So in the summer, I made 2 drawings for Rick and Morty. One of them's a character called You guys gotta watch the show. He's a hilarious character. Before I submitted my work, I had a good feeling about the Rick and Morty one, but the other character, I wasn't so sure, only because, and here is a key point into getting your stuff on Redbubble, part of the fan art program, is being original. I wasn't original enough with the first character drawing, but with the Rick and Morty one, that was my own style, and I had a good feeling that I was gonna get that one up and running on the site. Now, the first drawing I did, I basically took this character from Rick and Morty, and I love pink. I love pinks, I love purples, this is what I wear, and I had this in mind when I was creating the work. I wanted something a little more, you know, pink. I decided to create this character and change his clothes and change his color of his skin to pink because that's what I liked. Unfortunately, that wasn't enough. It was kind of, they didn't see it as an original work, I guess. It was too easy. And it makes sense to me now because it wasn't my style. It was literally me just drawing a picture of this character and filling it in with different colors. Now, the second drawing that I did submit of Rick and Morty was my style. It was in ballpoint pen and watercolor, basically mixed media art. I took this technique, applied it to my Rick and Morty drawing, and success. Another thing is you have to remember is watch the show. In order to do any fan art, you need to watch the show. If you don't know what's happening, you need to do your research. So with Rick and Morty, I know it's all about space and time travel and portals.
Okay, the show is so much more than that. Just go watch it. It's amazing.
And that's exactly what I based my piece off. It only makes sense why that drawing got picked up and the other one didn't. All right, well, I hope that helped. Thanks for watching. Hey, and if anybody would like to share their Redbubble fan artwork or their Redbubble page with me, I would love to see it. I would love to check it out. Please leave your Redbubble handle down below and I will take a look. Thank you. Also, let me know if anyone else has had an experience with the fan art program. Have you succeeded? Have you not succeeded yet? Did you think that you had a real good chance, but for some reason they didn't take your work? Let me know. And just remember that this is all on the Redbubble site. So when you search the Partners program for Redbubble, and it states for every TV show you click or movie, it tells you what you need to do in order to get accepted for the fan arts program. So all the information is there. I'm just telling you what literally the most important thing is. And again, number 1, be original. And number 2, make sure that you research the show so you have a good idea or a background story of what artwork you're going to create.
Bye.